I always wanted to be a leader, and Jinko gives me that opportunity.
What I like about Jinko is that there are so many opportunities to advance here, and I plan on taking advantage of that.
Ang kumpanyang Jinko binigyan ako ng pagkakataon magtrabaho ng modernong teknolohiya at robotics upang matulungan ang planeta.
To do this job, you have to be adaptable, willing to learn, open to change, and it pushes me to be better every day.
This job takes attention to details and staying focused so we can make quality products. I care about that.
If you're the kind of person that likes to learn new skills and you want a lot of opportunities, you should be at Jinko.
We are leaders.
We are experts.
Kami ang kinabukasan.
We are opportunity. We are Jinko.